Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a video that is gonna be very unusual for my channel since I haven't done videos of this sort before, but I have an item that is in front of me in this package over here that I hope is gonna change the way I make my videos in future, that is gonna allow me to create so much better content than before. And this video, it is gonna be extremely important for my channel, I hope. So I want to share this moment with you. I'm not gonna make such a fuss about it, but still I'm excited for this thing, and this is gonna be probably something that I hope, truly hope, to give me the opportunity to share so much more content with you. I'm talking about a new camera that I have purchased, that I'm gonna unbox. Till now I was using my DSLR, which is Canon EOS 800D, and I'm very pleased with that camera. I have been using it with the kit lens that it comes for secondary camera. I have used my phone, which is Motorola One Fusion Plus, if I am not mistaken. I don't remember, but I think this is the one, and I was very limited to what I could shoot, and the type of videos that I wanted to make were kind of provoking me to buy an action camera, and this is gonna be my first action camera over here that I'm gonna start using, and hopefully it is gonna be very nice to implement this new camera into my videos. That is gonna be very interesting, and I just know that this isn't the type of content probably it is usual for my channel, but still this is like a milestone for me. So I have been wanting to buy something like this for quite some time, and it was a very important purchase for me. So I wanted to share that moment with you guys. Let's start unpacking. And this is it, guys. It is GoPro Hero 10 black, I think it was, yes, and it has 23 megapixel sensor with 5.3K 60 frames per second capabilities, and 4K with 120 frames per second, and it is waterproof with 10 meters depth or 33 feet. I think it has GP2 processor, and this is what the package states. Over here on the back there are some other stuff, like it has voice control on 2.7K, it has 240 frames per second, data overlay, 8 times slow motion, time warp, live stream, and uploads automatically to the cloud, super photo plus HDR plus raw photos, and webcam mode. So lots of stuff to be excited about this thing, and let's see what is inside of the package already. So it comes with this very nice case, and I'm curious to see what is inside of it. Okay, so we have some instructions over here, and this cardboard that comes with some more instructions as well. There is an USB cable. Battery. Some sort of holder. And another type of holder. I think this was for with the sticky part for the helmets, that you can stick this on a helmet or something else, and probably this thing is kind of getting inside of here, I'm guessing. Somehow there is this release button, and this slides in like this. So I'm gonna leave this on the side. This is probably for here, the fixing nut, but I'm gonna leave them on the side for now. And the moment that I have been waiting, the camera itself. So this is it, guys. It comes like this, wrapped. There is one thing that I want to mention, that I want to buy a protective kit like these things for this camera, but I didn't have the chance to, and now I'm gonna order one, because I intend to order the kit that those helpful kits that you can mount this thing on everything, and I'm gonna add them with at least one more spare battery, of course. So let's try and remove the wraps now. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave the other stickers on, because I want to save it till my protective kit comes, and then I'm gonna peel these off and install directly the new protective kit to prevent it from scratching. But what I can say is that it has very nice branding over here, and it feels very good. It is light, but it feels massive. Actually, it's not something that I expected. And let's see how to install the battery in here. Apparently I have to pull this out like this. This is where the battery and the power charging is happening, through this port, and the memory card gets inside of here as well. Let's see if there is any charge in the battery. But before I continue, I have something else that I want to install as well. Inside of the package over here that I left, there is something. Along with the action camera, I have purchased a memory card as well. I have bought a memory card that, according to the research, the short research that I did, is one of three that is proper for this camera, in a way that for this camera to be able to shoot with the highest resolution and with the proper speed, the memory card has to be able to record and write the video with the same speed, of course, to allow the camera the high quality that you can achieve. So this is one of them, SanDisk Extreme V30, which is capable of reading up to 190 megabits per second and to write up to 90 megabits per second. So let's install this before I mount the battery, because I think it is going to be easier. I'm sorry that I'm kind of messy, but this is something that always goes wrong for me. Okay, so this is the on button. Let's see if it is gonna start. And we don't have enough battery, unfortunately. So let me try and charge this for a bit. So I have charged the battery for a bit, and let's see if there is enough juice in it to start the camera for real this time. Okay, so first we have language menu. So I select the language that I want. There is GPS setting asking to be on or off, and apparently I have to install an app to finish the setting of the camera. So there are a bunch of settings that I have to do. At the moment there are some updates that the app is installing on my camera, so we'll have to wait a bit to make sure that everything is up to date. Okay, so there was some sort of setback with the download of the software update, so I'm gonna try later. For now, I'm gonna turn back on the camera. So it is interesting. I want to show you how this looks like. I don't have much of a battery. Apparently I have charged this only to 30% and 4 of them are already gone, so I can't do much. I'm gonna try to make a small video, just a few seconds, if I can, to show you some of the footage and the quality of the video. As you can see, I have entered the menu that is with the different modes, but I'm not so tech savvy, so I will need some time to know the camera before I say anything more about it, but I will try to make a short sample from the point of view of the DSLR and compare them. So let's see how this footage is gonna look like. So let's try the mic as well. The box that you see in front of the BMW, you can see how much more things this is capturing in the frame compared to the DSLR. As you can see, it is right beside it. That box I'm gonna show you just in a second. Okay guys, so there is no more battery on this thing. I should have prepared better, but there are some of the modes again on display over here. So very simple to use apparently if you only press the power button just for a second, it changes the different modes, and if you hold it, it is powering on and off the camera. Some basic stuff, but it is kind of nice to figure them out. And I have bought this is Hama Star Black, and it is tripod. I hope that you can see. It is adjustable from 60 to 153 centimeters height. I have the same one, but it's not black edition, and I have been using that for my DSLR for quite some time, and I'm very happy with it. So it is going to be helpful to have another one of these for my DSLR to be able to kind of move it around without changing the initial view, and I'm gonna use it as for the GoPro as well if I have the chance. So let's look inside. So this is the package. Looks like this, very compact and it comes with a bag that is very handy. And here it is, guys. This is the camera stands. Looks like this, very standard stuff. I have been using the same one, so I'm pleased with it. This is basically it. So this was my new camera, my new GoPro, the cutest little thing that I have seen recently, and unfortunately it doesn't have where to mount it on my new tripod. For now it has this pair of small wings, plastic wings that are for mounting this camera on the plastic bits that I showed you before, but I'm gonna buy something that is gonna help me attach it. Can't wait to see the quality of the footage that this thing made when I edit the video. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to implement them in my video so you can see the quality of this thing, because I'm very curious about that. And I hope that this was interesting for you, or it was at least a bit helpful. If you enjoyed this video, you may consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking the video, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Stay tuned, and bye for now.